Using Genuist Beauty's Total Brow Care System, a combination of day and night treatments, will ensure your eyebrows are well maintained, nourished, styled, and defined. Here's how you can incorporate this system into your daily beauty routine. Morning routine. 1. After washing your face in the morning, make sure your eyebrows are clean and dry. 2. Condition your brows. Apply the Revival Brow Daily Conditioner and then tap the serum into the skin for best absorption. Wait for it to dry before moving on to the next step. 3. Prime your brows. Apply the brow primer to uncurl the hair pattern and set your brows in place for the entire day. Brush through with a spoolie and comb if needed. Number 4, define your brows. Use the roller brow defining pen to fill in any gaps or imbalances. This brow stain helps to create a natural and more defined look. After removing your makeup and washing your face, use the roller brow every other night or 3 times a week. The Derma Roller promotes absorption of the serum, which is designed to support brow blooming. Deep condition your eyebrows by applying the brow renewal treatment every night. With a formula that provides intense nourishment and hydration, helps repair, restore, and rejuvenate your brows, this treatment is especially great for those with unruly and coarse brow hair. In addition to evening use, the brow renewal treatment can be used for 20 minutes as needed when brows are extra dry, coarse, or unruly. Just apply the treatment for 20 minutes and then remove with water and a cotton pad or washcloth. By following this brow regimen, you can help ensure your eyebrows are not only well groomed and styled, but also receive the care they need to bloom and be healthy. To learn how to best use these products, watch the tutorials on our website.